I use credit card in all my purchases. Okay guys, let's talk about credit cards. Kasi ito yung life hack na underrated pa rin sa Pilipinas. Ako personally, I use my credit card in all of my purchases. Groceries, gas, food trips, online checkout, and even pampamasahe sa Grab or other booking websites. Basta anything that has a credit card option to pay, I swipe my card. Why? Number one, convenience. I don't usually carry cash. In that way, I don't have to wait for change. I pay for the exact amount, just going to tap or swipe, and then it's all good. Number two, security. Because whenever there's a fraudulent charge, it's bank's money at risk. Hindi yung savings mo na nasa debit card. Unlike sa debit, pag kinash out ng scammer, then babay na ang pera mo. Mabagal umaksyon ang bangko kasi hindi naman pera nila yon. It's your money. Number three is the rewards and perks. Points, cashback, airline miles, depende sa card. Imagine if you're just spending away and then while spending, you still get to earn something back or at least cashback. And lastly, not everyone do this and I'm going to share it with you, is the high yield savings account hack. Yung pera na supposedly pambayad ko in cash, hindi ko agad ginagastos. I park it into high yield savings account, which is personally I use this para kumita ng interest habang inaantay ang billing cycle. So, when the due date comes, may funds na ako na kukunin pambayad sa credit card, plus kumita pa ng interest. So, the cycle goes, pay in credit, park in high yield savings account, earn interest, pay full billing on time, and enjoy the rewards and perks. But of course, always remember, never spend something that you cannot pay in full. Otherwise, dito na magiging masama ang credit card for you.